This is gonna be a quick one. You have to slow it down if you need to see any more. All right, 6 years. 6 good years. 6 good years here. All right. Bathroom. Top to bottom. Okay. Things okay in here. Tub. Everything's all right over there. All right. Left some tissue for the maintenance guys. You know how they do. All right. This is this place. This was my front bedroom. And everything's good in here. All right. Now I can go downstairs before my ride comes. Crack this window for some ventilation. And take it downstairs. And here we are down in the living room. All right. And this is that closet. All the way back. Okay, top to bottom. That was my pantry. And this is the boiler room. Kitchen. Hope my finger wasn't in the way the whole time. Refrigerator. Nice and clean. Freezer. Get my last of my stuff out of there. Okay, close that. Everything's done. Oven. And yeah, all my cabinets are emptied and cleaned out. All emptied and cleaned out. All right, so hopefully this will be good enough. Now, of course, this is my last little carry out. Oh man, I'm gonna miss this place after 6 years. High Asbury Place. Oh, sorry, finger was in the way. So it's the living room. Guess this could be dining room, office, or whatever. Why is it so close? Can't zoom it out. Okay. Kitchen. Can put my little table and chairs in here. Right there. Got a little two-piece, you know. No more glass top stoves. I'm cool with that. No more double sinks. I'm okay with that. Got dishwasher. No ice maker. Whatever. Let's go see what's going on back here. Got a little closet there. What's this here? Boiler room. So I can put my carpet shampooer in there. I don't have carpet anymore. I might as well get ready to sell that. I guess this is the master bath. Ew. Okay, that's deep enough for my big old butt. I'm okay with that. It's a small one, but it's okay. This is bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1. Some grass out there. Let's look at this closet. Okay. All right. How deep is it? Okay. All right, that's bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Ooh, the acoustics. Yes. And another little bathroom in here. Just a little half bath, you know. It's got a tinkle in the middle of the night. And nice size closet. That's nice. Yeah, so it's small, but it's mine. And it's just for me. Kids are grown and gone. Don't have no man, don't have no puppies. No kittens or no puppies. Cut these lights out because I'm cheap with it. All right. Yeah, so this could be a little office space too. Actually, it could be a whole lot of things. I might do my YouTube setup right there. Lights out. Close this window. These blinds. Okay. Now this one doesn't even have the strings to lower it, so they're gonna have to fix that. Yeah, the blind. I need a blind in that window right there. Because I can't pull it down. Oh well. Cut that off. And leave on that hall light. Now I'm going to get my U-Haul. I'm going to get my U-Haul. A little deck out here. Okay. Little patio area to grow my little tomatoes. You know how I do. But that's it. That's my empty apartment tour. Stay tuned. I'm going to get the U-Haul now. Found 2 more boxes. Got them empty, but I got this room pretty much being what it's going to be. It's going to be my little gym. How about that? I'm going to get my exercise bike and sit it in here. And my main room will be my gym. Yeah. And then I got my poster. Got my massage table set up. I got to put my bolts back in that. I got temporary bolts in that. Well, I didn't light up my tapestry yet, but yeah, this is what's going to be in here. Like, I don't have a man. I don't have a lot of friends. I don't need this living room like a living room traditionally would be needed. So we're going to just do what we're doing right now. Got my little music, some books over there. Got my baby up there on the wall. Kitchen is chaos because I got too much crap. I have like so much like little crap. Like who has chalkboards? Come write a message. Got a bunch of those. I just got to find something to do with all this stuff. This is my mom's china that my son's ex broke. Got to get that fixed. But meanwhile, I just got to find somewhere to put stuff, right? I'm not used to even having counters. I already got her china in here. It's in there. No more damage. All of it is pretty much in one piece except the girl broke the milk, the creamer. Cabinet's pretty stocked up. And, you know, I don't know what I'm doing with the space. I don't know nothing right now. Right now, I'm just trying to have everything out of my way. You know what I mean? But I do have my vision board haul. Instead of a vision board, I got a whole vision board haul. So, yeah. Rest in peace. But yeah, baby. What's going on in here? And I got, this room is still chaotic. Right now, it's just a bunch of laundry in there. Well, you know I got my crystals set up. Yes. Something over there for somebody. They better come get it. Yeah. Chaos. Look at that. All that has to be put somewhere. Stuff needs to be put up. And for me to be comfortable, I have to be able to have everything put away. You know what I mean? So I'm working on it. I am working on it. And this is where a lot of the crap and chaos is. This daggone closet. Look at the shelf. Like, I gotta just sort through all of these things that's supposed to mean so much to me and, get shit out the way. Like, there's a lot going on in here. But I get some work done in here. Yes, I do have a house full. Yeah. So that's about it. That's all that I can really say for that. Oh, but this second room is just holding laundry right now. This is going to be my den, my chill room. We will not chill in the front room. I hear how people function in this building, and I'm going to, keep as much peace and quiet as I can in here. So that's it.